Hey everyone, today I have for you a little how-to with applying our new rhinestones. These are just got added to our store just a little bit ago. Super fun and a great way to add a little bit of bling to your mani. I will be using various sizes of these beautiful guys, and I will be using our Hema-free gentle base coat. I'll also be using a pair of tweezers and a wooden orange stick. The tweezers I feel like are especially important because they can be a little tricky to pick up, which you'll see later. I'm also going to be using our Sundara nails nail lamp. I absolutely love this lamp. It goes with me all the places and it does all the things. If you don't have one and you need one, this is a great one. Okay, we're going to open up our packaging now. Packaged very well, by the way, I must say. They're not escaping or getting out or anything like that, which is very important. I just grabbed a pair of scissors and then took out the little staple, and then we were ready to go. Now, these are all varying sizes of like a clear diamond. I love the fact that there are so many different sizes because you can use it for so many things. That's what's great about these nail gems is you can put them anywhere or all over your nails, and I just love that versatility. You can just have a completely, totally blinged out nail, or you can just add a little bit of a diamond, but they're very pretty, and these ones especially, they go with everything, any color that you want to do. I love the glitter and the bling, so I had done this really pretty mani with the glitter, and I was like, you know what, it needs a little something. Now that I have some varying sizes laid out, now I'm like sitting here and looking at my nail and it's like, okay, what do I want my layout to be? Where do I want it to be? Do I want it to be on my ring finger and my pinky finger, or just my ring finger? In this instance, I ended up going with just my ring finger. I just wanted like a little extra something. And I decided to use 3 different sized gems. I thought that would be fun. You'll see my layout here in a second, but what was cool about this is that I could literally just put them out on my nail mat and play around and see what look I wanted and what I wanted to go with. Okay, after going over a couple different options that I had, I did decide to go with the trio of different sized stones. I thought that would be very pretty with the mani. And then I just kind of push these guys off to the side so they stay out of the way, and I'll be getting ready to apply. We're going to need that gentle base coat that I mentioned earlier, and what I'm going to do is just put a tiny little dot of that gentle base coat over the nail that I want to apply on. I keep it kind of on the small side because a little goes a long way, and if you put too much, you could have it spilling out all over the side, so just in one little gentle dot. Now, after I place my dot on there, I go ahead and grab my tweezers and I pick up my first nail gem. I decided to go with the big one first, kind of do a cascading effect down my nail. And so once I place it on there, the great thing about gel base is that you still have that wiggle room. You can still move it around. If it's not like immediately where it was supposed to be, not center or where you were wanting it to be, you have that option where you can move it around a little bit, which is why I personally prefer using our gels to apply it instead of like a nail glue, because the nail glue, once it's on there, it's on there. But yeah, now that that one is done, I'm going to go ahead again with my gentle gel base, put a tiny little dot below that gem I just placed, and grab my next one. And after I have these gems on there and they're placed where they need to be, I've been doing 30-second cures. And then at the very end, I will do a full 60-second cure to make sure my gel is completely cured and everything is secure. right, and with that final one placed and a little bit of adjusting, we are ready for our final cure, which again is a 60-second cure to make sure all that gel is completely cured, which is super important. And here we have it. Final product. Beautiful, so much fun. Love the little bits of sparkle. I did, like I said, I was still having that debate. Did I want to put one on my pinky? I actually tried out like, okay, maybe this size, maybe this size. I did end up saying, no, I think we're going to keep with the one accent, and it was perfect. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my little how to apply these nail art gems. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. Thank you for tuning in and following along with me. And these are available now. We also have different colors of them. So head on over to that Sundara Nails website and check them out because they are so awesome and so easy to work with. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.